Thank you very much all. Now I invite Mrs. Manju Sharma ma'am to deliver vote of thanks to all the delegates and the speakers. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody, and I welcome Dr. Dharkar, definitely. I'm seeing him after a long time. I think today's roller coaster ride has completely your brainstorming. You people have done a lot. And thanks to my neuroscience team under the leadership of Dr. Suresh Gupta and his team members. Believe me, all these team members, they put our vision in reality. And that's what it matters. And I have seen Dr. Madan so many times, witnessing his effort to save or salvage the patient. And I always thought, okay, heart attack, you have golden hour, and you save the patient, you say, wow, voila, you did it. But congratulations, Dr. Madan. I have witnessed and I'm in cath lab so many times to see how your effort and your dedication and that consistent effort to save the patient. It's congratulations, and I want you to go further. And you have a lot of good team members, and you have excellent mentor here, Dr. Suresh Gupta. And I definitely would like to say good luck to my team members in neurosciences, and keep on doing good work. And thank you for coming. And I think it's a lot of brainstorming today. People should enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Thank you, madam, for your words of blessings. And I take this opportunity to welcome Professor Dharkar, veteran of neurosciences in Rajasthan. He was instrumental in starting neurosciences, particularly neurosurgery in the state of Rajasthan. Now it's a time to announce the results of neuro stroke quiz. We had two modes of stroke quiz, virtual as well as those who were present physically. So the online participant, the first prize goes to Dr. Abhishek Bharadwaj. Please give a big round of applause to him. The physical mode, the first prize goes to Dr. Pankaj Sharma. And second prize goes to Dr. Deepali. Please give a big round of applause to all of them. And now I request Professor Dharkar Saab to say a few words and few words of blessings and present prizes to the winning candidates. These are the residents, sir, from SBS Medical College and others. Welcome, sir.